I made 3 sugar cookies and a fed cake. Somehow the cookies vanished and the dog sat nearby, crumbs on his nose. Cake stood untouched, but now I'm suspicious. Is the dog playing innocent?
Yan natin. Nagkuha niya ba agad sa first try? Or nakukonfuse siya? Ano ba to? Hindi, Filipino. Oy, English daw talaga.
93%.
93%. Ibig sabihin, English na English yun. Yung England English.
I've always been interested in art. Recently, I started painting as a hobby. Mixing colors and creating something unique has been so satisfying. Even if the results aren't perfect, I find the process incredibly relaxing and fulfilling.
Natin. Wow, you sound English. Ano? Ulit. Okay. Wow, pero ang taas. Mas mataas kaysa sa American English.
Sobrang sasagula ang gusto nito.
Oo. In fairness,
No, don't put those things above the bathroom sink. That shelf loves to cause chaos. One wrong nudge and everything will crash down, scattering toothbrushes and soap everywhere, like a scene from a slapstick comedy.
Wow. Wow, grape.
Nasaan yung Filipino?
Wow,
Hanap
great.
ko yung Filipino. Nasaan?
Nawala. Na ano talaga, hindi ka pag American accent, sumisingit ang Filipino. Di ba?
Try ko ulit.
Sige. American accent pero Californian nga, West Coast. Yung, alam mo yung,
I
ganun.
was young.
Ah. Parang, like yung laging ganun.
I used to enjoy drawing.
Yan, ganyan.
When I was younger, I used to enjoy drawing. Recently, I picked it up again and started sketching in my
Yeah.
free time. It's been fun to rediscover an old hobby and see how much I've improved.
Ganun. Yung parang meron siya, parang lazy speaking. Ano siya dun? Parang gusto ko pang mapakinggan.
I've started keeping a gratitude journal where I write down 3 things I'm thankful for each day. It's a simple practice, but it helps me focus on the positive and appreciate the little joys in life.
Britney, is that you?
Brittany,
It's Britney, bitch. Siya ay...
Russian. Okay, Russian na ako ngayon. Ano ito pa Filipino?
Ano ba mga accent na ano?
I've always
Indian, kaya mo ba mag-Indian?
Parang
Yung parang, I've always been
I've always
interested
been
in art.
interested in
Recently, I started painting as a hobby. Mixing colors.
Mixing colors and creating something unique. Unique has been such.
Parang Scottish na yan ah. Ganyan minsan Scottish accent eh.
I've always been interested in art. I've always been interested.
Ganyan accent ni ano na, di ba? Ni, sino ba
I've
yun?
always
Commander
been
Daot.
interested in art. Recently, I started
Ganyan.
painting as a hobby.
Hindi yan, Indian kuya. More on
Ano?
Scottish yan.
Mixing
Kaya
colors.
minsan inisip ko, hindi ka Scottish yung mga napunta sa India.
Something
na
unique
ano?
has been so satisfying.
Ganyan.
The results aren't
Pakinggan mo si
perfect.
Commander Daot, mamaya
I
play
find
ko.
the process incredibly relaxing and fulfilling. I've always been interested in art. Recently, I started painting as a hobby. Mixing colors and creating something unique has been so satisfying. Even if the results aren't perfect, I find the process incredibly relaxing and fulfilling.
Ganyan na yung pag sa dulo. Ganun. Ang dami palang alam na accent. Pwede ka palang gumawa ng content na ganun. Isa sa mga kauna-una mga YouTuber, ganyan eh. Yung mga ano nila eh.
I've been
Content
learning
nila.
how to take better photographs lately, capturing small, everyday moments like sunlight through the trees or a bird perched on a branch makes me appreciate the beauty in my surroundings so much more.
Kaya mag-Australian. Yung parang, yung naging her, yung ganun nga. Yung,
Hindi ko masyadong kaya.
parang hindi mo ano kasi distinction yan, no?
Hindi naman
With
talaga ako
British.
maano sa accent.
English talaga.
English talaga.
English,
French, and
English
Dutch
French. So,
po.
ibig sabihin European, Euro-based talaga. Ang ano niya. Wow, grape. Wow, grape.
Uy, tuturuan niya ako maging English speaker daw in 3 months.
Wow, grape.
So medyo, madali lang naman siya, in fairness. Hindi ako masyadong nahihirapan. So,
Ano?
7 out of 10 times ako nag-English accent naman ako.
So mag-a-apply ka na
Na ano,
ng AI.
AI what?
AI teacher. Ikaw yung magte-training ng teaching force for ano. Kasi ano medyo nalalaos na daw ang Duolingo. Yung ano na yung kailangan pang magkaroon ng ka-chat, gano'n, 'di ba gano'n kasi yung mga ano. Hindi ka sa totoo lang yun yung isa nagiging help ng AI, 'di ba? Yung parang walang personal attachment na tao na parang mag-iisip ng ganito, ganyan sa'yo. Kasi AI nga. Di ba? Yan.